Right, so I'm going to show you how to connect your Bose QuietComfort Ultra 2 headphones, the second generation, to your PS5. Okay, so if you want to play PS5 games and take the audio from these headphones, then all you have to do is get this cable, the 3.5 millimeter headphone cable that comes in the box of uh, your headphones. All right, so you'll notice that one side is thicker than the other. So this is a 3.5 millimeter side and this is a 2.5 millimeter side. So what you need to do is pick up your headphones, and there's going to be a 2.5 millimeter socket on the headphones. So you want to insert the thinner side, the 2.5 millimeter side, into the headphones like that. And then you can now take the other side, which is 3.5 millimeters, and insert that into the 3.5 millimeter headphone socket underneath your PS5 controller. So you wanna just stick that in there, connect, simple as that. Now you can have your audio coming through your headphones. So to just confirm that, I'm gonna go to my console. So press the PS button to open up the menu so you can quickly navigate to the sound settings. So select that and you can see the output device is now headphones connected via the controller. Now, unfortunately, if you go to the mic settings or the sound input settings, you can see that's still set to wireless controller, which means you'll not be able to use the microphone on the headphones for sound input. You can only use them for sound output. Basically, you can just hear what you want to hear, but you cannot use the microphone on the headphones, unfortunately. Anyway, thanks for watching and good luck.